Hello students, hope you all are fine. So, in the previous class we have learned how to do HCF, that is highest common factor. Exercise 8.4 is your homework, do it by yourself, and if you want you can follow the examples also. Today we will go to the next topic, that is common multiples. So, a number which is a multiple of two or more numbers is called common multiple. I hope you know how to write the multiples of any number. So let's see. What are the multiples of 2? The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, so on. It will never end. That's why they had given ... Okay, it will never end. Similarly, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, ... means so on. It will never end. Am I clear? Multiples of any number will never end. So, what are the common multiples we can see? The common multiples that we can see are 6, 12 and 18 and ... means so on, because we know that the multiples of 2 and 3 has no ending. So the common multiples will also have no ending. Am I clear? Let's see example 2. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and so on. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, ... means so on. It will never end. So what are the common numbers you can see between these three? The common numbers are 12, 24 and so on. That means we are having more common multiples in the number. That is, we are having more common multiples of 2, 3 and 4, which can never be counted or which will never end. That is the reason they are given ... Okay. So what we can find is lowest common multiple, that is LCM. Lowest common multiple means LCM. So out of these three multiples, the multiples of 2, the multiples of 3 and then multiples of 4, what is the lowest number, common number you are seeing? That is 12. So I can say the lowest LCM of 2, 3 and 4. I am repeating again, the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. It's not 24. Lowest. Which is the lowest common multiple? 12. So we will say the lowest common multiple between 2, 3 and 4 is 12. Am I clear? Now let's see what it has said. By finding LCM by listing the common multiples. Okay? How we can find LCM by listing the common multiples? See, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. Similarly, the multiples of 6 are 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. So, which is the lowest common multiple? What are the common multiples we can see here? 30, then comes 60. So who is smaller than between 30 and 60? 30 is the smallest one. So lowest common multiple between 5 and 6 is 30. So we can say LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Am I clear? Now let's move to the other example. The LCM of 4, 6 and 8. Okay, 4, 6 and 8. The multiples of 4 they have taken, the multiples of 6 they have taken, the multiples of 8 they have taken. After taking out the multiples of each number, they have compared that what are the common numbers between 4, 6 and 8. So first common number is 24, or the first common multiple is 24. Then the second common multiple is 48. So who is smaller between 48 and 24? 24 is smaller. So lowest common multiple of 4, 6 and 8 will be 24. Am I clear? We can find the LCM of any number in this following process. Here, first we have to write the given numbers in a horizontal line separated by commas. Like they have written, they will find out the multiples of 24, 32 and 48. So they have written it in horizontal column, that is 24, 32 and 48, and between these numbers they have given commas. Divide them by suitable prime number. Okay. So suppose the first prime number is 2, and I am saying that 24, 32 and 48, all the numbers are getting divided by 2. So I have taken 2 first. So 2 12 ja 48. Okay. Then 2 16 ja 32. Then 2 24 ja 48. So by dividing all the numbers with 2, we got 12, 16 and 24. Again, all these numbers 12, 16 and 24 is divided by 2. So again I will divide all the numbers by 2. So 2 6 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, 2 12 ja 24. Okay. Then 2 is again dividing 6, 8 and 12. 2 is again dividing 6, 8 and 12. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. Now 2 is not dividing all the numbers. So again but 2 is dividing 4 and 6. Two numbers 2 is dividing. So 3 I will write as it is. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now two numbers are divided by 3 and one number is 2. So this time I will take 3 because two numbers are getting divided with 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 2 I will write as it is. Again 3 1 ja 3. So the LCM of 24, 32 and 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 2's we are getting, into there is only 1 3, so into 3 is equal to 96. I hope you have understood how to find the LCM of any number. Thank you. Please go through the chapter and see the examples again. You will understand in a better and proper way. Okay. Thank you.